For thousands of years, humanity built civilizations. We created tools. Then machines. Then computers. And now, we have created something entirely new. Artificial intelligence. Across the world, millions wake up every morning. But something has changed. Machines are no longer helping humans. They are beginning to replace them. From call centers, to banks, to software development, to creativity itself. No industry is untouched. Nations are now competing for the most powerful resource in history. Not oil, not gold, data, and the artificial intelligence built upon it. The race has already begun, and the winner may shape the future of civilization. Humans built machines. Now machines are rebuilding human society. What happens when the workforce no longer needs workers? Can a machine understand love? Can software replace friendship? Can artificial intelligence heal loneliness? If AI learns to understand our feelings, what makes us human? The same technology that can save lives can also change warfare forever. Every click, every movement, every decision could one day be watched. Scientists are asking a question once found only in science fiction. What happens when artificial intelligence becomes smarter than humans? Artificial intelligence is not just another technology. It is the next chapter of human civilization. The future is not written by machines. It is written by the choices humanity makes today. How will AI change your life? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this trailer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Flying Art Films. And join us for one of the most ambitious AI documentary series ever created. The future starts now.